Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Progressive for policy management step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Progressive website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the authentication page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure the information entered is correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, look for the My Policies section on your dashboard. Click on My Policies to manage your insurance policies. To authorize a specific policy, select the policy you wish to manage. Review the policy details displayed on the screen. If you want to make changes, look for the Edit Policy option. Follow any prompts to update your policy information. Once completed, click Save Changes to finalize your updates. If necessary, confirm any changes through the verification process provided by Progressive. For any additional assistance, check the Help or Support options on the website. After completing your tasks, make sure to log out for security. You have now successfully authorized and managed your policy with Progressive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.